back to another video, guys. So, yeah, I've got a few bits that I've got that I'm just going to show you so I can get it put away. Nothing really fancy. Again, I've got a lot of not a lot, couple of storage bits, couple of glitters. Yeah, so shall we just get into it and see what I've got? So firstly, I'll show you the stuff that I've got for storage for my drawers. Got a pack of these, pink and blue. Let me open them. I am going to get some more because I thought I would have got more storage than I wanted out of one pack. So these are, you can cut these to any length you want. And it's just to make squares and stuff in your drawer. So I want these for gel polishes, like my Madame Glam Umic, I have on shelves. But all my little odds and ends of gel polishes I have in drawers, and they slide up and down. So with these you can slot them together like this. And what it does is it makes little squares, look. You can do rows and rows. You can make them as thick or as wide as you want. I've done that one a bit skinny mini there, haven't I? Let me see what will fit in that one. I don't think much will fit in that one. Oh look, there. Can you see what I mean? So you just keep slotting these in, slotting them in, and you can make rows and rows. And you can do big ones, long ones for your brushes. Yeah, so like you could do a long one and have your brushes in them. Yeah, I think they're fantastic for your drawers. I really do. Keeping all your gels separate. So I'm going to grab some more of them. They're numbered as well, so you know how many to cut off every time. You can get these in pink, blue, white. I'm not sure about any other colours, but yeah, I'm going to grab some more of them definitely, because they are going to come in really handy in my drawers. So I grabbed a pack of those. Definitely going to need more though. Yeah, there's only 8 in that pack, but that'll do one of my drawers at least. Perfect. So next I got these. I saw these on Just Joe Nail Addict's channel. I've actually ordered another pack because I ordered the wrong ones. But these first ones that I got, that are the wrong ones, I still like them and they're still going to do what I need them to do, so I've kept them. These are 30 centimetres and the ones Joe got are bigger and longer, and they've got side pieces on, and these haven't. So these are just Perspex and they're really strong. They've got little screw holes there. You get 6 in a pack as well. And yeah, you can put your gel polishes on them. Across your shelf like that. But like I said, these haven't got edge bits on them. And they're only 30 centimetres. So you can have 6 in a row. Or I think I'm going to do 3 and 3, so I can have 2 really long ones. So that's the ones I got. Oh, I thought I got a bargain. They were about a £5 cheaper than what Joe paid. And that's why, because they're shorter and they've not got the side bits. But like I said, I've kept them because I'll still use them. And I'll show you the ones I should have got now. Right, and these are the ones that I should have got in the first place. So these are longer. I think these are 45 centimetres. They're a little bit taller here. And these have got the side bits. Let me find them. Yeah, these have got the little side bits. Can you see these little side bits? So they go in there like that. And just stop your gels from falling off the end. And yeah, they've got a bit bigger lip there. And they are an extra, I think an extra 10 centimetres. But they're pretty much identical. And again, this is a 6-pack. But these are, I think these are an extra £5. Well worth paying the extra £5 to get the longer ones and the side bits. So yeah, I've got 2 packs of them now. So I've brought my camera up because these are so much bigger than I thought they were going to be. So these are Perspex drawers. You get a 2-pack. Let me just open this up. Right, yeah, so it's a pack of 2, and they are huge. So it's a pack. It's a Perspex drawer. I can't believe the size of it. It's huge. I thought it was going to be one of them little little square ones. And it is huge, guys. Really deep as well. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. I can't believe how big it is. It's really big. I thought I was going to put lint-free wipes in one and cotton buds in another, because I thought they were literally the little square ones. And they are huge. Really thick, strong as well. So I'm really happy with that. But I don't know where I'm going to put it now. It's too big for my desk. Especially 2 of them. Gosh. So anyway, yeah, I got a pack of 2 of them. Really over the moon with them, I am. Right, so that's it for my storage stuff. The rest of this now is just a couple of bits from Amazon, a couple of bits from AliExpress. So from AliExpress, I got myself another one of these. I absolutely love these. So these are the Venalisa. These are their jelly gels. This is tender pink. Yeah, and these don't self-level or anything. I love them. Look at that. I've already swatched it. So this is the colour. It's a beautiful, beautiful pale pink. You're still a bit high there, aren't you? Beautiful pale pink, which I have not got in these ones. And yeah, it doesn't move at all. I love it. So I grabbed another one of them. I wasn't too keen when I opened it. I thought, oh gosh. But it's actually a really nice pale pink, isn't it? I love using these. I'm going to have to use them more often, because I've got a few of them ones now. So I grabbed a pot of that, and that is, what size is this one? 15mm this one is. Sticking with Venalisa, I've got some of their mud gels. These are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. But look at this packaging, isn't it cute? Yes, these are... I'll just open one to show you. Because I'll swatch these in another video. So can you see, they've got a little plastic lip there, which is brilliant, because I always like to leave a little bit of the foil to wipe my brush. Can you see, they've got a little plastic lid. So these are mud gels, a bit like the Madame Glam pudding gels. The solid cream gels that everyone's selling. So that's a nice yellow, isn't it? Teeny weeny little pots though. Really small pots. Some really unique colours in there as well. That looks like there's a nude pink, a red, a black and a white. So I'll swatch them in another video. They're really cute. So I got those. They were off Amazon as well. That was off AliExpress. That was off Amazon. I'll leave all links below anyway, like I normally do. Right, also off AliExpress, I got some foils. I think you will have already seen me use this black and white one. I used this black and white one in a set the other day. Aren't they cool? So this black, pink and blue are transparent. They can go on any colour nail. Aren't they smart? These are going to be so cool to do summer neon designs with. Can't wait to use these pink ones. I like these new pots as well. I like these little slim ones, because they could all get stacked like that in my drawer. I like them. And I got these ones. I've already got this pale pink Burberry and I love it. Oh gosh, never going to get this back in now. Yeah, the pale pink Burberry, I love it. And then I seen these, look. So there's the hot pink. How smart is that? I love it. And then the purple. Aren't they cool? So I had to get them. And then there's these ones. These are like transparent. So these are cool. You can put them on any nail. I like that. And then again, this one can go on any nail. Cool. And then this one, this is probably my favourite out of the transparent ones. So you could have any colour Burberry nail. Cool. I really like them. I got these. These were off Amazon actually. It comes with a pack of tweezers. Yeah, because I haven't got any gems this colour. I mean, there's hardly any small ones. But it wasn't really the small ones I was after. I want to start getting these big ones. I need green, blue. I don't need green now, but I want to get some blue ones and some red ones next. The little ones were just a little added bonus, I suppose. But yeah, they were off Amazon. Quite happy with them. Yeah, they're glass. We've got love hearts, diamonds, butterflies, teardrops, horse eye. And they're like your diamond shape. Really nice colour. Would you call them emerald? I'd call them emerald. So we got them. Right, one more thing off Amazon. Let me move them out of the way. I got this. I got this about a month ago. Guys, this was a £5. $4.99 this was. I couldn't believe it. $4.99. Let me get it open. Watch this, there'll be nothing in it now. Right, so, oh, this is cute. Oh gosh, so it shows all their Polygel kits. Look guys, it is a full Polygel kit. Neon, I got their neon one. It comes with slip solution, top coat, glass bottles, base coat, file, brush and picker tool, dual forms, $4.99. Is that crazy or what? 6 tubes of, 7 tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 tubes. Oh my gosh. So we've got yellow, green, blue, purple, fluorescent, greeny yellow, red, pink, and then 30ml slip solution. That was a bargain, wasn't it? Yeah, so I'll have to swatch that in another video. I couldn't believe that. There were so many of us that grabbed this that day. Couldn't believe it. Perfect. So yeah, I got that. I have got a couple more bits, but I'm going to save it now because the video's ticked on a bit. I'll save them till next time. I just want to get all this put away. I'm organised now, guys. I kept moaning because everything was in boxes under my bed. Everything's away, so I'm going to keep on top of everything. I'm going to put all this away where it belongs straight away. I'm not letting things pile up again because that really overwhelmed me, that did, the last few weeks, sorting all that out. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. All links will be below. If I miss any, just ask me. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.